the Explorer. Let's explore art. Hola, I'm Dora, and this is my best friend Boots. Today, we're exploring art. Do you like making art? Hooray! Let's do arts and crafts together. Look, I'm making a painting. In English, we say, let's paint. In Spanish, we say, vamos a pintar. I painted a picture of the sun and a cloud. El sol, una nube. What do you like to paint? Mira, I'm using my colored pencils to make a drawing of a rainbow. Arco iris. My rainbow is pink, purple, blue, green, and orange. Rosado, morado, azul, verde, naranja. What color comes after the orange? Sí, morado. I love making presents for people. I used beads shaped like plants and flowers to make this necklace for my friend Isa because she lives in the flowery garden. When you make a toy from folded paper, it's called origami. Look, I made a paper boat for Boots. He can take the paper boat to the park and sail it on the pond. Hey, Boots made a present for me too. Gracias, Boots. And thank you for exploring arts and crafts with us. Adios. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Dora the Explorer stories, check out my Dora the Explorer playlist. Thank you so much for joining me today. Stay safe, everyone, and we'll see you all next time.